Is today airplane day?
Yes, Captain Khushi. Today we fly.
Fly.
Planning to stay on the airplane forever?
Maybe. Is this really the airport? Wow! It's so big.
This is your special ticket.
My own airplane ticket?
Your hair clip made the sound.
Oh. It's bigger than our house.
One step at a time.
Are we flying? We're really in the sky. Flying is fun! Next time, I want the window seat again. Like, share, and subscribe to Khushi's Dreamland. Click the bell icon and join us for more magical stories, fun adventures, and heartwarming moments.